Say hiya.
Hiya.
Hi. Look, I finally decided after what, 4 days to put makeup on and actually fix my hair. I've got no mirrors in the house, so it's almost like it's been too difficult to get ready because I can't see what I'm doing. Careful! So you probably noticed I'm somewhere different. I'm at my mum's house and today is the day that we hand the keys over to the new purchasers of our house. Me and Fraser were there last night doing a big clean up and I'm so sad about it. I was crying so much. Totally like inconsolable, like that.
No.
So I need to do a few things this morning. I still need to move some stuff from the house, so I need to go and drop Lola off to the vet. She's going to get tested for Cushing's disease. A few of you guys on Instagram recommended going and getting that checked because she drinks so much and she's had a bit of an incontinence issue, so we're going to go and do that. And then I need to go back to the house, pick up the two, no that's a lie, first thing I've got to do is go to Mum's work and drop off chairs that I'd borrowed, which are in the car, and then I need to go to the house and pick up the two prams because the boot is obviously being used just now, so I need to do that. Thank you.
Go.
Good boy. But Ella's still sleeping, so I'm going to go and get her. I'm going to keep her off nursery today because I think it's just too much going 5 days. Thank you. So we're going to let Ella have a day off, aren't we? Do 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 do. Beep beep. Anyway, I feel like this is going to be a sad vlog, so be prepared. Hello, Sleeping Beauty. We've just had to get you ready super fast, haven't we? Your wee sleepy face is the cutest thing ever. Gorgeous girl. And who's this?
Turtle monkey. I can't take him.
You can't take him? You can take him if you want.
But he may scratch my eye.
I don't think he will, he's friendly.
Mummy.
Yeah?
He might scratch me.
He won't. Ah, Jojo, be nice.
See, I told you.
You did tell me, you're right. Say bye, Lola.
Bye, Lola.
Charlie, say bye, Lola.
Bye.
Come on, big girl. Down you come. Jump. Why were you crying?
Because why? I didn't go cupcake because Lola was still at the vet very long.
Oh. Did you think the vet was taking Lola away from you? She's not.
No.
No, she's just going to look after her and see what's wrong with her because she's not feeling very well.
Not feeling very well.
Yeah. Not going to lie, that was really upsetting. I actually started filling up as I left her. Oh man, I know she's only getting tested for like bloods, but God, it's just horrible leaving them in the vets and that smell, like that really clinical smell, and Lola was hating it. She just didn't want to go. She was proper like pulling at the lead. So yeah, I'm going to get her back at lunchtime, so hopefully when I get her she'll be not diagnosed, but they'll know her blood test results and they'll also know her like skin result they're doing. They're doing a skin test as well, but her other test that they're doing for the Cushing's disease we won't know until probably Monday now. It says it takes about 2 to 3 days to come back. So yeah, I'm really kind of like, I'm hopeful, but I'm a wee bit worried about her going in case they find something else that's wrong with her, because she did say that it doesn't sound like it could be Cushing's, it sounds like it could be something else, just given what I was telling her. So yeah, I just hope there's not anything underlying that's like sinister. Look how empty our house is. That's just some wee bits and pieces for leaving them. Empty house. Pardon you, Charlie. Empty living room. Go that way. Aww. That's the last time we're going to be in this house, guys. Do I come and say bye to the garden?
Bye, garden.
Bye, garden. Bye, washing machine.
Bye, washing machine. Bye, bye.
Bye, dining room.
Bye, bye. Bye, bye.
Come on, let's go this way and go say bye to your rooms.
Bye, kitchen.
Come on, let's go in your room.
Bye, Charlie.
Let's go upstairs.
Bye. Bye.
This is the bit I'm the saddest for.
What?
No bed? No bed in your room? Nothing in your room?
Nothing?
about here crying.
Look.
Look, nothing in my room.
Oh, Mum, so we at Nana's house?
Everything's at Nana's house, yeah.
There's foot of Charlie's here.
How small the room's like with no furniture in. Right, come on then, Charlie's room. Charlie, come on to your room. Up to Daisy's. Let's go upstairs, come on. Up the stairs.
Bam, bam, no bed. Bam.
No bed.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
The last time Charlie's going to crawl up these stairs. You probably won't even remember this room, Charlie.
Bye.
Eh?
Bye. Come up. No room.
No room.
Hey,
All
we
finished.
just, like numbers on the floor.
Nothing there. Nothing for you to pull out or destroy. Last time we're doing this in this house. Ready? Charlie? Come on. Where are you? Oh, you're down there. Right, come on up to Daisy.
Bam.
Right, one up and you can do bump bump.
Bam,
You're going to take a header down the stairs. Right, you sit in Mummy's lap and Ella can go Mummy's back. Ready?
Bam.
Bump. Bump. Bumping down the stairs. This is the last time we're bumping down these stairs. We do it every day. We do it before we play. Do, 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 do. Bump, bump, bump.
Bam, bam, bam.
All done. Beak.
Bye.
Charlie, say bye-bye house.
Bye.
Come on, jump on. Bump.
Bye.
This is the house your babies were brought home to for the first time. It's the only house you've ever known.
Okay.
Now let's go and get one.
Is it here?
No? Do you know what you need to do before we leave? I need you to write the card out for the new wee girl that's going to live here. Could you write her a nice wee letter? Saying to Daisy, enjoy your new house. Right, let's go and do it. I'll put Charlie in the car and we'll do it, right? Do you want to close the door for the last time? When you can close it. Oh, this is weird. Mummy's going to cry.
Charlie!
Charlie's doing it too. You don't leave your brother there. We need him to come with us. Come on, Charlie. Oh, Charlie doesn't want to leave. Charlie wants to stay. Yeah. Come on.
We need to leave because we're bye.
Say bye, house.
Bye. Can we very fast, Mommy?
Go on then, but. Bye, house.
Bye, house. Bye.
Bye-bye, house.
Bye.
Are you sad?
Bye. No, I'm not sad anymore.
Are you happy?
Get a cupcake.
Let's go and get a cupcake then. Oh dear.
Cupcake. Where's the cupcake?
I'm sad. I feel like as much as I'm looking forward to going into this new house, I'm just so sad to be leaving this one. It's been an amazing house for us, like, oh, it's just rubbish. I actually feel gutted. I feel really, I just feel guilty for leaving my neighbours because I've got such amazing neighbours and yeah.
Well,
I know I want to cry as well. I want to cry as well. So Fraser's just come in and it hit me a little bit again that it's very much final. The guy who's buying our house came up and got the key off my mum, so I've not been back to our street. Oh, there's someone phoning for Lola for the vets. Hello? Yeah, so before the vet phoned and basically told me Lola is fine apart from the test for cushions, they'll come back next week. Fraser brought in these Krispy Kreme. Actually, do you know they're called Krispy Kreme and not creme? Yeah. Krispy Kreme donuts. So I'm just going to like emotionally eat for like the next however many days I can get away with it. Lotus biscuit one, I've just picked off all the bits of white chocolate off it, so it looks a bit unusual, but I bet it's amazing. It always is. First of all, looking bald because I've got my hair in a low ponytail, but I'm just sitting with my laptop and I'm going to edit a vlog for tonight. I wasn't originally going to put one on because I've got a couple of extra ones going on this weekend, but I'm going to sit and spend 45 minutes editing a vlog and put it on tonight. So yeah, let's get to it. 45 minutes and counting to get a decent amount of work done. We've just come out a little walk before dinner time. Lola is definitely not herself, she's been sick. I think it's more the travel than anything. I don't think it's anything that's happened to her. But I've got a shark singer in the background. Hello? Huh? Oh, you answering your phone?
Hello. 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 Hello.
No one can hear you on your phone, you've got your dummy in?
I'm okay, Kara.
Tra. Look. Hello?
Hello.
Hello? You're so funny. Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? I know, they don't touch them because they're poisonous, put them down. Poisonous, just like remember in Snow White when she eats the apple and it's all poisoned by the witch. That's what those are. Don't you love how kids will just accept anything you say? Not one question about that. Oh no, those are poisonous as well. Yeah?
I get one on nursery.
Yeah, not those ones. Not ones that grow outside. That's ones that grow for, well, they do grow outside. Oh, this is one of those moments where I don't know what to say. They do grow outside, but those ones aren't clear. Oh, those aren't. Those are brambles, I think. And you don't touch the ones, okay? You only pick those ones at a farm. This isn't a farm. Put it down, darling. Put it down. Thank you. Those ones are for animals, not for humans. Let's go.